Let's now get you all the highlights from Prime Minister Modi's meeting with the chief ministers. He's asked chief ministers now to submit reports on what next. This was at the 5th virtual meet with the CMs since March. While 5 states, that's Maharashtra, Punjab, Bengal, Telangana and Assam, sought lockdown extension, Gujarat has sought an end to the lockdown. All the details in this report.
India could see many changes in the lockdown when the current round ends on May 17. Prime Minister Narendra Modi indicated as much in his interaction with chief ministers on Monday. The marathon meeting lasted over 6 hours and the Prime Minister exhorted the states to be ready for a new world that will emerge from the coronavirus pandemic. The PM expounded a new philosophy for the new world. Jaan se lekar jag tak, or from an individual to whole humanity. He said that the country needs to reduce transmission rate of COVID even as it increases public activity. He added that the measures needed in Lockdown 4 won't be the same as Lockdown 3. PM asserted that observing 2 gaj ki duri was of paramount importance. He also called for the need to ensure virus does not spread to rural areas. The Prime Minister defended the resumption of train services in a gradual manner. Most chief ministers were in support of calibrated lockdown. Sources say 5 states, Maharashtra, Punjab, Telangana, Bengal and Assam favored extension of lockdown.
आर्थिक स्थिति के संदर्भ में बात को रखा सभी ने कि पैसों की काफी दिक्कत है, आमदनी हो नहीं रही है राज्यों को और केंद्र से अतिरिक्त राशि सहयोग के लिए सभी ने बोला without exception.
Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal pushed for starting of economic activity all across Delhi, barring in containment zones. Maharashtra, which is the worst hit state, called for opening of local trains for essential services. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was in a combative mode. She hit out at the centre, accusing it of doing politics on COVID crisis. She said that letters from central government are leaked to the media before they reach the state.
Central ministers should be focused on solving COVID, not on playing politics, because the states, it's not about finger pointing at the states. It doesn't matter which state. You know, it's not somebody's fault because Maharashtra has high numbers. No, the states are doing their best.
The chief ministers now have to present a blueprint for Lockdown 4 by May 15th. The centre will take a call after studying the proposals from the states. Bureau Report, India Today.
Vidya is now joining us live from Mumbai with more details. So on this, Vidya, what exactly was the Maharashtra government stand? What was the message from the Maharashtra Chief Minister in that interaction yesterday with the Prime Minister?
Well, Uddhav Thackeray very clearly told the Prime Minister that that the lockdown needs to be, loosened out a little, but it needs to be done very carefully. Well, for starters, the industry should certainly be started in the green zone, but in places like red zones that we are standing in right now, Mumbai, Thane, Palghar, all these places are extremely risky areas where the statistics are quite high for the number of deaths as well as the number of people who have coronavirus. So in these areas, getting back to work is certainly very difficult. But even then, the local trains should be really started. People who have to come in for essential services are finding it extremely difficult. And that is the reason why starting of local trains, the Mumbai Lifeline is extremely important. It should not be for everyone. But apart from that, there's one thing more that Uddhav Thackeray really put across was that because of the entire closure of work, there has been no income. So the GST returns that have been filed, they should really be sent across to the government. There's almost been 35,000 crores of worth of losses that the government has already suffered in this particular couple of months itself. And that is the reason why, because the government needs the money immediately to put in more work, to start working further. It needs this money, and that is why the GST returns that have been filed should be sent across to Maharashtra, what is due to them.
That's a concern that's been raised by several states about the kind of financial crunch that they're suffering, and referring to the GST dues to ensure that the centre gives them some funds to fight coronavirus. Vidya, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.